OneCNC CAD CAM Made Easy. Did you know that OneCNC provides the ability to easily insert custom CNC code anywhere within your machining operations? It's very simple to do, and let me demonstrate. First of all, what we want to do is head over to the Command Manager, select Stock Toolpaths, and from there, select Custom Code. Now, we're going to be creating a brand new custom code, so I'm going to select New, and from there, let's type in the name. I'm going to type in Optional Stop, just like that. Now, for the CNC code that's going to be output, down here where it says Code, I'm going to type in M01. That looks good, so I'm going to click OK. I can use this custom code command now, or I can use it anytime in the future where I'd like to output an M01. Let's output it now. So with this custom code selected, we're going to select Insert, and from there, you're going to see the Optional Stop custom CNC code applied within the NC Manager. Let's move that in between the profile and the drill operation. I'm going to take my cursor, hold down the left mouse button, and drag that right in between both machining operations. Let's create some CNC code and look at our brand new custom code. I'm going to right-hand mouse click, select Post Group. From there, we'll select Post. I'm just going to use the default name and let it overwrite what I have. And if we take a look within the text editor, you can see the M01 was output. Creating custom code within OneCNC is very simple. OneCNC CAD CAM Made Easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.